What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, blessed, growing, prosperous day. I just wanted to give you an update on the leeks that we planted. If you've been following my videos, I took some old leeks that were given to me that were in the refrigerator, and I potted them. I cut them off at the tip, and I'll tell you all about that. These were in the refrigerator about a week ago. Literally, you guys. No more than 8 days. And I cut it off right there where you see the first white piece right there. That's where I cut it. And all this has come out. The 3 different layers have come out from that. This is just the top now. I set it in some water. I change the water every 2 or 3 days. And look at the new growth coming out of the bottom of the leek. Now, leeks are like onions. They're just not as strong. But they are good and sweet, just like onions, you guys. Just fancy name for a not so strong onion, leeks. And growing up, we never ate leeks, not that I knew of. So let me show you what happened when I cut these leeks off right there at the stem, and I put them in some soil. Hi, you guys, Skinny Boy Randy. I put them in some soil. I think I was upside down, but anyway. And look, it started off like so, and this is where I cut. I had a sharp knife and I cut it straight across. There was nothing but a straight cut all the way across, you guys. You see that? It was cut straight. Now look at this layer. Layer 1, layer 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is one of the smallest ones in this container, you guys. And my phone would ring. And this is the medium-sized one. She didn't grow from the top. She just grew straight from the middle. But again, look. Hope you can see where I cut. Right at that white line. Right there is where I cut. And all this has sprouted up. Look at the layers. And you guys, I mean, literally, it has not been 2 weeks. It has not been 2 weeks. Literally. It's been growing like double its size every day. And this is the biggest one. All of these were cut at the same size and put in the ground at the same time. Look at this one. Look at that. If you can see it up close against my hand. That's how big it is. And it just keeps coming out and out. From that cut all the way down there a few days ago, because I check on it every day and it gets bigger every day. I swear it's only been about 10 days tops since I did this experiment. So there you have it, guys. You can reproduce your own leeks, and once they grow, you just do them like you do your onion. You use the bottom portion, you know, not the roots, but above that, and you just cut it up like you do an onion. I'll do a video on that one day when I start to cook with them, okay? We're going to use these as a matter of fact. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Click like and subscribe to the channel. I love you. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it! I love you guys. Peace out.